Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Reaper on your Mac. Reaper is a powerful digital audio workstation used for music production, recording, editing, and mixing. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Chrome, Safari, or Firefox will work just fine. In the address bar, go to reaper.fm, which is the official Reaper website. Once you're on the home page, click on Download Reaper in the top menu. You'll now see several download options for different operating systems. Under the macOS section, you'll find three versions: macOS Universal, macOS 64-bit Intel, macOS 32-bit Intel. Before downloading, let's quickly check which type of Mac you're using. To do this, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, M4, or Apple Silicon listed under chip, then you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. In that case, choose the macOS Universal version. If you see Intel listed under processor, then you're using an Intel-based Mac. In that case, select the macOS 64-bit Intel version. Once you know which version you need, click the appropriate download link. The Reaper installer file will start downloading. When the download is complete, open the installer file. Review the license agreement, and, if you agree, click Agree to proceed. A window will appear showing the Reaper app icon. Simply drag the Reaper icon into your Applications folder. This will copy Reaper to your Mac. After that, you can close the installer window and move the installer file to the trash. Now open your Applications folder and double-click Reaper to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. Reaper will now launch normally. When the app opens, you'll be asked to either enter a license key or continue evaluating the software. If you're just trying it out, click Still Evaluating. Reaper offers a fully functional 60-day free trial. And that's it. You've successfully installed Reaper on your Mac. You're now ready to start recording, editing, mixing, or producing music and podcasts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more easy Mac tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.